Can you name that tune? It was Hakuna Matata, in case you could tell from my awesome humming. All right, I don't know about you, but every time I open a new assignment of this collection, I can't help but sing a Disney song. Like, it makes my soul happy. All right, we got to get to work. All right, today, this is day 4, assignment 4. So let's get to work. I'm going to zoom it in. Instructions say use this chart and the slide below. See what each family will pay for the Disney park tickets. I can't believe we're doing this. This is the most depressing assignment. I never like to see the prices. It's shocking. Oh well. I love Disney. If I could take y'all, we'd go. If I could take myself, I'd go. All right. Focus, Bingham. All right. So the instructions say use the chart on the previous page to figure out how much each family will have to pay for their theme park tickets. All right. So there are 4 columns. Let's go through each column and explain why they are important. The first one is the family column. You will notice in the family column, it tells you about the family. It tells you how many days they're going to be at the park. It tells you how many adults and how many children. Something special you need to notice is next to the child, it tells you how old they are. Because if we look back at our beautiful little chart, right over here, it says that 10 and above are considered adults. So if they're 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 107, they're an adult price ticket. If they're ages 3 to 9, then it's a child price ticket. So let's look at the next column. Then it says adult costs. This is where you're going to figure out how much they are going to pay for the adults. The child cost is where you're going to put how much they're going to pay for the child, and total is how much they have to spend to get their family into the park. All right, so let's do this first one together. It first says 2 adults, and we're on a 4-day ticket pass. So we're going to go back to our chart. 4-day down here. 4-day adult is $305 a person. So I'm going to go back to my beautiful little chart. And the cost is, what did we decide? $305. Now I have to go back to my chart and say, oh, look, it's 2 adults. So I'm going to times that by 2. Now, oops, you need to figure that out on a piece of paper. It is not hard. Don't use a calculator. I know you can do this. So we are, if you hear the rattling in the back, it's because my dog is waiting for me to finish, so I will feed him. We're going to do the math. So I have done the math on my notebook, and the answer is $610 just for the 2 adults. All right, now we have an 8-year-old and a 5-year-old. We already know that both of those, about the weird pause or blip, I had to feed the dog. He was getting really, really impatient. All right, so now we're going back to the child column. You recognize that they are 8 and 5. We already decided that if it was 10 or younger, they are going to be a child ticket. So we're going to go over here. Remember, we're 4-day child. Let's click on it. Scroll down. 4-day child is $285. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to put in the price. So that would be $285 times 2 children. Okay, it's time for you to do the math. Pause me, figure it out on a piece of paper. Okay, after doing this, we have, I wrote it down on a piece of paper. I'll show you my work if I need to. It's 570. So now we're going to add both of those together. So I'm going to write 610 plus, $570 is going to equal 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 7 is 8, 11. So $1,180. Ouch. If you've ever been to Disneyland, go right now and tell your parents thank you. And if you haven't been, save your pennies. It's totally worth it, but it's super expensive. All right, so your job is to finish this table. Pay attention though to the children's ages, because if you notice on this second group right over here, this child's 11. So is that a child ticket or an adult ticket? If you said adult, you are correct. Now, this is a 10-year-old, child or adult. If you said adult, you are correct. So you actually can put your adults here. Then you have to do, or put 4 adults here, because that's really how many adult tickets you are buying. So good luck and get your work done.